Remember last week I came to a new park and it was super, super foggy, and I said, I need to bring Luke back here. Brought Luke back, so we're gonna try. We're already hearing a bunch of stuff. There's a call I recognize.
It's a white-throated sparrow.
Is it the white-throated sparrow though? It's from back home, one of those nostalgic calls. So we're gonna try to track it down. No, definitely not a killdeer. Let's find some birds.
It's a squirrel.
We're looking, trying to get a picture. You can see him playing in the brush on the ground. He's like jumping. He's sticking real close to the ground. So we're just kind of waiting. He keeps popping up for a little bit. Then he pops down. Pops up. And pops out. Pops up. And pops out. So that's what we're waiting for, is him to pop back up so we can. Such a dork. So we can get a video. Lots of mallards again. More mallards, more mallards, more mallards, more mallards, more mallards. What are you? Now that I can actually see where I'm walking, I don't have to walk through all those birds this week. Oh, he's stuck. Go backwards to go forward, you knucklehead. You're stuck the butts. Come on. That's a bluebird. I got that. Sparrow. Hold this, bud. Hold this, hold this, hold this. What is that? It's another coot.
Okay, so it's raining. The end.